Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, Mr. Light. Just because I say hi, it doesn't mean you're getting treats. Hello. Hi, Chase. Hi, Goth. Hi, P-Dids. Hi, Unicorn. P-Dids, congrats on getting here first. Hi, Goth. How are you? Happy Wednesday, everybody. We're halfway through the week. Can you motherfucking believe it?
And sis, that's tea.
So funny story. I must have gone back into my Steam last night and re-downloaded the PTB for some reason. And so literally I hit DBD and I was like, oh shit. And I closed it real quick before it opened. And I was like, and I had set up my stream title and everything to play 2v8. And I had downloaded PTB. So we're doing PTB today. Goth, you're a little bummed. Your birthday plans for next week went up in flames. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Why did they go up in flames? Did something happen? I'm sorry. So first off, I want to show everyone the killer because y'all, it's Dracula. Oh wait, this isn't where I should show you. Cookie hump day.
Ladies.
Literally, we're so close to the weekend. And those who are newer to DBD, cough cough, Cookie. When I say the letters PTB, I'm referring to the Dead by Daylight beta testing. So the new killer is coming out, so they released him to the beta game to play and test out. So everything you're about to see is not even in the live game yet. It's coming soon. How about? Chase, what time is it? Oh, I see. Well, Goth, I hope you can come up with some newer, better plans for your birthday next week. Okay, Dracula, pop off. Oh, I'm gonna lose my fingers. Munch, munch, crunch. Munch, munch, crunch. And if anybody is on, if anyone has the PTB loaded, feel free to join me. I cannot believe I downloaded that. It was in a fugue state, I swear. I have no memory of it. Goth, I don't know yet, but I'll figure something out. Maybe a fun stream. I mean, any stream with you is fun, okay? Think Chase for your treat. It's well, I'm just waiting for my next treat, actually. We're gonna go through his perks, first. And his power, and then we're gonna go check out the survivor. He's so silly. His first perk is Hex, Wretched Fate. A new Hex perk, everybody. Alert, alert. Right? After one gen has been repaired, a random dull totem becomes a hex totem and curses the obsession. The obsession suffers a 33% repair penalty, and they can also see the hex's aura. I don't know if I like that. Unicorn, talking about the hex one. Well, it's just like, what impact is reducing one survivor's progress? What is that going to do for the game as a whole? I don't know where the benefit lies. And I'm not trying to be contrarian. I guess it just wastes the time of one survivor. It just doesn't seem very good. Okay, the next one is called Human Greed. You see the auras of unopened chests, and survivors' auras are revealed for 3 seconds when they enter an 8-meter range. That's pretty good. This is funny. You gain the ability to kick chests to close them. This ability has a 60-second cooldown. Survivors unlock these chests 50% faster. Unicorn, but if it's already open, then we probably took what's in it. I guess it's to reset his power, like his ability, like the perk. So like the perk you only see the auras of unopened chests. So if all the chests are open, you're like, well, I guess my power is useless, or my perk. Yeah. Because I had that exact same thought. I was like, so you want to let survivors get more items? Is that what I'm getting? This one, I see it having some kind of value because of aura reading. The third one is called Dominance. The first time each totem and each chest is interacted with by a survivor, that totem or chest is blocked by the entity for 8 seconds. The auras of blocked totems and chests are revealed to you. The first time. Not the first time for each survivor. Like, I don't know. Like, I guess it gives you some information about, like, where survivors are. But isn't it just, like, an inconvenience perk? Yeah, it's the first time. Not the first time for each survivor. Each totem and each chest, does it mean all of them? It means all of them in the game, in the map. Oh my gosh. All of the totems and all of the chests that spawn in that game will be blocked the first time a survivor interacts with them for 8 seconds. Which is just kind of like an inconvenience, right? You're like, ooh, I'm gonna get this totem, get some points. And then it's blocked, and you're like, well, I guess I'll go work on this generator. Which is the main objective. Cookie, do you mean it sounds awful like that's a terrible perk? Why would anybody use that? Or is it awful like, oh my god, as a survivor, that would be so terrible to encounter? Both sides, honestly. I love it. Yeah. It's like I can see it doing well with other perks. And yeah, as a survivor, it would just be really annoying, I guess, the first time. And then you're like, well, I guess I'll go for it now. Okay, we're gonna go over the killer's new power. Well, the new killer's power. Oh yeah, I'm very excited because we finally have a shape-shifting killer. I don't know if y'all know about this Dracula shenanigan, where he can turn into like a wolf, he can turn into a bat. Okay, let's see. It's called Vampiric Shift. Special ability Shapeshift. The Dark Lord has access to 3 forms and can freely change between them. Each form has unique abilities and strength. Vampire form, which is his default state. The Dark Lord can use the powerful Hellfire spell, which creates 7 pillars of flame that travel 7 meters and can be cast across low obstacles. Meaning it goes through windows, and I think it might go over pallets.
Gay?
Okay. So the second form is wolf form. In wolf form, he has access to several abilities that allow for more effective tracking. Movement speed is increased, blood pools and scratch marks are more apparent, and survivors leave a trail of scent orbs behind them. The Dark Lord can collect these scent orbs to charge a powerful pounce attack. So I've experienced the pounce attack in my custom game that I played yesterday, and I just don't know. It's hard to explain. It's like the wolf like lunges out, but I would expect it to pounce like a Victor. But it's not that. There's no like distance to it. And then the third form, which is behind Mr. Light, is bat form. And while in bat form, he gains undetectable. Unicorn, talking about his wolf form, like the demo, no. That's what I want it to be like. But it's like, at least from how I perceived it in my one attempt. It's like a short. I think it's actually like 2 short lunges. Like, you know, like killer lunges. It's like 2 short ones in a row, and I don't know how that's a powerful pounce attack. Okay, yeah. So bat form, you gain undetectable status, and he moves faster, ignores vaults, and can teleport to any vault points. That's weird, but it's very like Dredge teleporting to lockers. They were just like, let's have him teleport to a vault. No. I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know if the survivors can see the bat. It sounds like yes, but they're undetectable. Like it's a silent bat. But no, he can teleport very quickly though. So I'm sure people will get very good at flying on top of you and landing. Ooh, let's watch his Mori, y'all. Here we go. You can't see the wine glass, so it just looks like nothing. I love it. It just doesn't allow the wine glass to be there. So I've heard people thirsting for the new Survivor already, which obviously I approve of. Interesting. Oh my god. I can't get over this guy. I am shook. Ugh, I'm not over this Survivor yet. Okay, we're gonna look at his perks. A history of vampire. Oh wait, Eyes of Belmont. When a generator is completed, the aura of the killer is revealed to you for 3 seconds. Okay. When a killer is revealed to you for a specific amount of time, that time is increased by 2 seconds. Oh my god. It's Lethal Pursuer for survivors, y'all. Okay. Exaltation. That's hard to say. Exaltation. Exaltation. Stunning the killer with a pallet upgrades your held item rarity to the next tier. I cannot get over how much better his perks are than the killer's. Time to run one of my 250 yellow flashlights. Literally. So many trash items will just be upgraded, and so many people are gonna go for pallet stuns now. I'm glad that it's not a general stun. Like, you're not upgrading your item every time you head on the killer. Oh, actually, I didn't finish reading. That's so funny. Okay. Stunning the killer with a pallet upgrades your held item rarity to the next tier. Then it recharges 25% of its charges. The rarity is not kept at the end of the trial. And it has a 30-second cooldown. Yeah, killers are going to respect pallets, and then they're going to get rid of them. No need for any means necessary, because there's going to be no pallets left. He didn't make that jump in the slightest. How do you like Fabio? He is very interesting. Or is Fabio the killer? Literally, the look is so good. I love how serious he is once he sees the treat, right? It's like business time only. No fooling. No fooling. Thank you for the redemption, P-Dids. Oh, y'all. I have some misinformation to correct. I have fake news to dispel. I did the math and did some cross referencing. And Mr. Light is literally he just turned 6. He is not 7. Chase, time to leave for false advertising. No, I'm sorry. Not me telling you he was an older man than he is. Well, I had to look up some pictures of him. And I was like, oh, these pictures have dates. Because guess what? Moving is a very good time to lose things. Lying about the baby's age? All I wanted was more sympathy. Is it too much to ask? Yeah, my mom was like, that's not 7. I was like, what do you mean? And she's like, you came home in 2019. And I was like, right. Yep. Okay, moment of glory. This perk activates after you open or rummage through 2 chests. When you become injured, you also become broken. Automatically heal 1 health state after 60 seconds. Then this perk deactivates. These perks are so good, I can't get over it. So, I guess you don't need to run a chest perk to use this and get value out of it. But you could. I wish they gave me more blood points. Unicorn. So if you run that perk with Nick Cage's perk, you can fully heal yourself twice. Yeah. So this is going to be my first time against the killer. I've tried the killer twice in custom games, so this will be interesting. Midwich, give me the new map, bitch. He's so sexy. Is he like really wearing a corset? Oh, damn. Trevor. Is this always here? Wait, why is it Ghostface? What's happening? This is so weird. But I love this man. I have a new main. This is my new Michaela. I'm surprised nobody DC'd when it was Ghostface. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? What is this? What is this? Why would they do this? This is a terrible loop. I don't even know what the developers are thinking. I can't believe that. I have questions. There he is. Were they planning to do a rework for Midwich? Not a rework, but like a adjustment? Or like new variants? Like what's happening? Is he just like hitting the bot on hook? I need to find a chest to test this theory. Oh wait, did he have to break this, or was this just opened? Is this open now? It's just open now. Cool. How have I not come across one chest? Maybe in the basement? Oh, I have to stun him. I was like, how do I do the perk? Hopefully he gets that bot and teaches that bot a lesson. It shan't forget. Oh, she scared me. Maybe you shouldn't look like Ghostface. "60 seconds is so long." Decided not to wait.
I will not be defeated.
Oh. Does it do that noise every time he turns to wolf form? Ooh, that's his Hellfire ability, y'all. He must have the add-on where when a gen is finished, a bunch of Hellfire pillars happen around him. Ooh, a Hex Totem. That should break the pellet. IMHO. Like that. Ooh, he turned into a wall. That's cool. I wish his terror radius was a little more three-dimensional. Like, it's giving video game, which is fine, because he's from a video game, but, like, I can play the organ better than that. There he goes. Ooh, the wolf is so cool. Oh, see, it's like 2. Why does he turn into like a white cloud? How did he not see me? It's so cool. Oh, okay. So that was pretty instantaneous damage. He's so fancy. Ooh, that's cool. When you stun him, he turns into bats. Love that. Love that. This person, I don't think they're using the bat form very much. Whereas I would be obsessed. Oh! Ooh, that's cool. Fancy. Ooh, that was close. Oh. How come Dracula doesn't have red eyes? That'd be cool. He's got these, like, I don't know, are they green, yellow-ish? You, like, don't get to see his face while you're being carried. David? Goldie, for real, sometimes it heals me. Sometimes I wake up and just sit in bed for hours because I don't want to move. I know. You're like, well, I'm just gonna lay here until I become part of the bed. Wait. I think some of it has to do with... What? Wow, now it's blocked for 8 seconds. Oh, he's a wolf. Whoops. Maybe I meant to hook it on. Maybe I meant to open it. Maybe I didn't. Ooh, that was so close. I like his attack when he uses it because I feel like his fingernails grow. And I'm like, slay. Goldie, how is Castlevania? It's interesting. This new survivor, I don't know if I am just attracted to him or what. But Dracula is really cool. I think his powers are interesting. I've only played him once and it was like in a custom game. I don't know how the queue times will be. I'm scared. Belmonts are always serving, right? And it looks like he's wearing a corset, and that's just real good. That waist is singed, Henny, right?
Ladies. And sis, that's tea.
I haven't encountered the Dracula's Mori yet, but I'm excited to see it. I mean, I've seen it, but I want to experience it. Goldie, I'm sad I started playing like a month after Peter Griffin. Why? Because it sucks to be one shot by a Peter Griffin, or is it because you wanted it? You wanted it so bad. Become a wolf, you fool. You know you want to. LMAO, all of the above. I love it. The like people who use the Peter skin are usually bots or children's. Love it. I don't know why I said children's. Oh my god. Aw, I almost got away with it. If it wasn't for that meddling dog and that kid too or something. Damn! He actually got me with his hellfire. And he burns the pallet. OMG. I know! He like incinerates the pallet. It's epic. So that's the power he has when he's in this default form, Dracula form. He can also turn into a wolf, and he can turn into a bat, or like, I guess, a cloud of bats, and teleport. He's a wolf! Uh-oh. So cute. Right, right. Are we getting worried? I love it so much. He's serving so much cunt.
And sis, that's tea.
Wow. That's amazing. I wasn't like sold, I suppose. Ooh, okay. Do y'all see his fingernails like grow? I love that. I'm a slut for that. We're gonna go bat form. Teleporting. Hello. Wolf form. Come back, Trevor. Do you see how the pounce attack is like 2 pounces? It's really interesting. I love that you could be bats. Whoa, new vault animation. That was cool. I wanted to use the Hellfire. Oh, it didn't go through. I was wondering if it would or not. Renato, I love that outfit. Damn.
You're just making me angry.
I don't get it. What did they do? I know one person had a flashlight, but I don't think it worked. These animations are really funky. Oh, I don't like that. Why is it 2 pounces? I was wondering if she would walk into it, maybe. Meow. Oh, I really wanted her to stay there. Interesting. How come it didn't do the second pounce? I love the nails. Hi, Kawaii. How are you? That's amazing. I didn't know he did that. Hello. I'm a puppy. Coming for ya. How come there was a... whatever you call that? Why was there Killer Instinct? Why does it do Killer Instinct when he goes through the window? You're doing good. How am I? I'm doing well. I'm tired today, but that's okay. We're trying out the PTB just for funsies. Ha! Stupid bitches. They keep trying that. I wonder if they're all together. We're trying out Mr. Dracula. Oh, wait. That's cool. I love his fire powers. They're so cool. How did that not hit her? I can't believe that. Ah! I can't believe it like gets hit on so many obstacles. Yay, we got her. Ooh. Oh my god, we did it! That was so cool. Did y'all see it? Did you see it? I did the thing. Chop. Oh my god! Stuck out! Hi, Salty.
Try not to bleed out too.
So, if anybody's wondering, my iridescent add-on is doing this. It seems a little intense and unnecessary. Like, this guy just wouldn't be able to get out, right? So, like, if I injure these people, they're all gonna die, right? Or do they really have to, like, dodge it? I can't!
Destiny calls.
I am in disbelief. That was amazing!
Ladies.
Are you kidding me?
And sis, that's tea.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Hi, the Darth Dingus. How are you? GG's, you fart a lot? Gotcha. GG's, that was funny and wild and insane. That whole ending, I was just like jaw on the floor, disbelief. I couldn't believe anything that was happening. Like, I saw this add-on and I'm like, when the gates are open, pillars of hellfire continuously spawn. And I was like, okay, well that probably means like 1 or 2. And then I was like, if I injure everybody, it's like everyone dies. Like, do you like imagine running a Terminus, which is a Wesker's perk, where at the end game everyone who gets injured is permanently injured, like they get broken. They have to like they have to change that. Also, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you for the shout out. Let me give you a follow back. Are you kidding me? Thank you, thank you. Thank y'all for the fun game. That was so much fun. It was wild. That was great. Good luck and have good games, please. And have a lovely stream. Thank you for being wonderful. And then the first game I played tonight was against a ghost face. And I was like, what the hell is happening? As I knock over everything on my desk. But good luck, Ek. We're gonna do this. We're gonna win. We're gonna live. We're gonna slay today. Did this map also get reworked? Not reworked, tweaked. Ooh, I do like the sound effects, but this Dracula better use the bat mode more. Bat mode, like... Ah! I love that he turns into bats. It's freaking bats. It's freaking bats. And how are we feeling about the terror radius? That was really funny. I'm sorry. Hi, Codice. How are you? Oh, that's what people were talking about with wanting to pet and boop the snoot. I was like, how does Dracula have a snoot to boop? Now it makes sense. What's shaking bacon? Codice, though it looks like someone was trying to take a bite out of your bacon. You better believe it. These Dracula are no laughing matter, except when they do stuff that is a laugh. Yes, Exto. Yes, Urban Evasion, Exto. Salty, I know, I swung for the fences with that one. Whoa. Oh my god, that's so cool. The stuff was happening around him as bats. Freaking bats. How did he know I was here? Oh, fuck me! Damn it! That's so fucking cool. Sophia, I can't wait to P100 this man. You're talking about Trevor? Trevor! I need so many new sound commands, y'all. You don't understand. I have one for Trevor. I'm gonna get frickin' bats. Like, it's all gonna be so good. Salty, which is a baseball term, meaning you're swinging the bat, knowing you may not again. I love Trevor's coat and corset. See, how did he know I was here? You can't see scratch marks. I mean, you can see scratch marks. You can't see survivors. Is there an add-on? Does he have a Mori? Is he trying to Mori me? Do you think it would go over? Guess not. You need it for your workout? Is it gonna be for like your running workout playlist? So like you're in chase with Dracula? Damn it! He fooled me. There's no Marine. What's that about? He's being nice. Oh, I didn't notice that 2 of them were together. Oh, 3 of them. Goldie. Yes, I want to imagine Daddy Dracula trying to suck my blood. Hell yeah, he's got his wine glass. Salty, you got me with that one. Because I was like, really? I thought he knew exactly what was going on. And then I got fooled by you. And your jokes. That was such a good one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Damn it! No! Puppy, why? I tried. Goodbye, cruel world.
No one's coming for you, Trevor.
No one's coming for you, Trevor. Trevor seems like such a weird name. Goldie, if I play, I would def main Vecna. Hell yeah, he would be a great main for you. He's, by definition, the most snatched character in the game. They're in bat form. Look at them go. Okay, so that's what it looks like when they teleport. Interesting. I had that exact question. Did they bring a Mori? Yes! Oh. Damn you. Thank you for the water redemption. Did I not see a water redemption from you, Salty? I'm so sorry. Damn you. Hi, Alto. Is it Altox? I was sad when I couldn't find you to stop the hook. I was looking. No worries. I was like looking for a pallet by the exit gate and that was not working. But thank you for trying. I appreciate you. Alto works? Gotcha. Well, thank you for trying and thank you for being lovely teammates. The killer came in and literally apologized, so don't worry. But I hope the rest of you got out, right? GG's was fun. Hope to see you again. Sounds good. Alto, thank you for coming in.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Thank you for the follow. Thank you, thank you. Oh no. Are they gonna get worried? I'm ready for this. I wanna see. Oh, she's in the wall. That's lame. I like that the bats swarm him. She DC'd? Why? Goldie, I want cake now. Sorry about it. Not sorry. What kind of cake do y'all like? I'm more of a pie person, but if I am gonna have cake, it's gonna be chocolate cake. Okay. I have to get hooked before Dwight dies. No, you have to hook that guy so I can unhook him so he can unhook me. Damn you. This isn't how it's supposed to go. Damn, not him shaming you for crying. Do you have a giant metal hook in your back? Dracula. Dracula loser. Salty, when you're bad, you're bad. Only terrible killers slug like that. I don't know why he had to slug. He should have hooked what's his face so he could get all the Moris. His goal should have been to Mori everybody. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Salty, I found the best combo for 2v8 is a good trapper and a at least decent Billy. I saw the benefit of Trapper and Huntress together, and I saw the fruits of Trapper and Huntress together, and that was really cool to see. But I also saw Trapper and Billy, and Trapper, it's so funny. I saw somebody get trapped, and then Trapper hit them, and they went down, and then Billy goes over them. It was great. Puppy! I'll try and boop the snoot this time. I'll remember the button. Boop, boop. I don't see any chests. Oh. No! How did you know? Oh. Yeah, but the speed at which Billy can get to the traps, that is, you can't beat that. Oh. Uh-oh, he's chasing me. What? Damn. The first time I played him, I was like, in what world would you ever use his hellfire power? I just don't understand it. It doesn't make sense to me. There's no use for it. Salty, oh yeah, I bet. And being trapped and hearing a chainsaw revving and flying at you. Yes, I suppose that is terrifying AF. My thought is that it was really successful and that they will try to bring it back ASAP. But I really hope that they do expand it, like add more killers, please. How did you know? How did they know? No! A daddy grabbed me by the throat.
Ladies.
Damn.
Hell, butchery, murders, blood, stabbings, more blood.
Salty, I wouldn't want it to be permanent because people would get tired of it or only be on it. Yeah. I'm sad that the killer queue time never got, like, reasonable. Wow, I'm surprised you didn't hit me. This person? Okay. Mikey would be OP. I agree. I forget who I was talking to, but they suggested Mikey and Ghostface to have like more stealth killers. It's coming. I love the red eyes so much. So much on the side of my face. Yeah, does that count as booping it? I tried. Damn. It's so fucking cunt.
Ladies.
Can't get over it. Wow, I love it. Thank you all for hanging out. Thank you for watching the PTB with me. Thank you for being lovely humans. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being a fan of Light, so you stick around for me. It's like, stop that. There's only one. Sorry. Y'all, thank you for hanging out. This was lovely. I had a great time. Salty, I swear. I'm gonna get a pug and call him Frank from Men in Black. You should. Also, that pug was so cute. You gotta start tossing them into his mouth. Literally. I need to practice that because him taking them from my fingers is too much. I love you, Light, but you need to be nice when taking treats. He used to be so much better. He really did. He just like likes these too much. I don't know. So I need to I'll start practicing with him. I think that's what needs to happen again. We're going back to learning to eat treats school. Okay, I'm gonna get going, y'all. I'm so tired. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here, everybody. I love all of you. Talk to you later. My next stream is on Saturday. Hopefully I see you then. Bye.
Ladies.
Bye, y'all.